Hello everybody, so let us look at this question from the SAT Math section. We have that in 2008, Xena earned 14% more than in 2007, and in 2009, Xena earned 4% more than in 2008. If Xena earned Y times as much in 2009 as much as in 2007, what is the value of Y? Now, let us write down these years right here. Okay, 2007, then 2008, then 2009. Okay. All right. Now, over here, we have that Xena earned 14% more than in 2007. So let the amount earned in 2007 by Xena equal to Z. Okay, the letter Z. Okay. Now, in 2008, Xena earned 14% more. So that means that she earned the amount of money she earned in 2008 was 14% more uh, than what she made in 2007. So in order to calculate that, we have to multiply the letter Z by 114 divided by 100 because she earned 14% more in 2008 as compared with 2007. So we have to multiply the amount of 2007 by uh, by 100 plus 14 over 100. Let me rewrite this. I have to write this all over again. Okay. Why do we? Okay. So she made a 100 plus 14% right here. Okay. 14% more. So 100 plus 14 divide. Okay. Into bracket into parentheses divide by 100. Okay. So that will consequently be equal to 114 divided by 100 consequently. Okay. So Z multiplied by 114 divided by 100 is going to be equal to the amount which she made in 2008 right here. We'll just leave this line, or better yet, let us just write 114 times Z divided by 100. Okay, to make this easier on us. Okay, so after that, we have been given that Xena earned 4% more in 2009 as compared to 2008. So uh, that means that we again have to multiply this number 114Z divided by 100 multiplied by 100 plus 4 into parentheses divided by 100. Okay, and that is going to be equal to the amount which Xena earned in 2009. Okay. So the amount which Xena earned in 2009 is going to be equal to 114 Z over 100 multiplied by 104 divided by 100, and that is the amount which Xena earned in 2009. We'll just leave this as a blank box. Okay, we'll leave this as a blank box right here. Actually, my drawing is not that good. I mean, can I draw a box? Will I be able to draw a box? Okay, this is where. Okay, and let me draw some like columns right here, or excuse me, let me draw a vertical line right here in order to just kind of avoid any type of confusion, I must say. Okay, now uh, we have this. Okay, so let me write this 104 divided by 100. Okay, now the amount earned in 2008 was multiplied by 114 over 100. Okay, so I'm going to circle that. Okay, and then I'm also going to circle this fraction because the amount earned in 2009 was 104 divided by 100 multiplied by the amount earned in 2008. So I'm going to circle this fraction as well. Okay, so I'm going to circle these two fractions. Okay, 114 over 100 and 104 over 100 because okay, Z multiplied by 114 over 100 multiplied by 104 divided by 100 was equal to the final amount earned in 2009. Okay, and we have been told that Xena earned Y times as much in 2009. Okay, as compared to 2007. So that amount is going to be equal to y. So y is going to be equal to, okay, once again, z multiplied by 114 over 100 multiplied by 104 divided by 100 is equal to the amount earned in 2009, which is also the variable y right here. Okay, so because of that, okay, variable y is going to be equal to 114 over 100 multiplied by 104 over 100. Okay, and we got these two values from this, okay, over here, as well as this particular value over here. That is how we got these two fractions. Okay. Okay, and then we further simplify all this out. Okay, we're going to get, if I remember, 57 divided by 50 multiplied by 52, or excuse me, my mistake, multiplied by 26 over 50. Okay, and basically once we do all the calculations, okay, we're going to eventually get this particular number 1.1856. Okay, once we do all the necessary calculations, we're going to, or excuse me, once you enter this, excuse me, well, once you enter this particular multiplication into the calculator, you're going to end up getting 1.1856 as the final answer. Okay, and once again, this fraction right here, 26 over 50, it's not fully simplified. Okay, however, once we enter this multiplication into the calculator, we're going to get 1.1856 as our final answer. And we look through all the answer choices. We have that answer choice D is the correct answer over here to this given question. Now, thanks to all of you for watching this video. I'd like to see all of you in the next one.